Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Docker on Mac. So what you have to do, just go to Google and type Docker installation on Mac. So in the Google result, just go to this first website and just click here, Docker for Mac. So on this page you will find the link to download the Docker. So here we have two options, stable channel and edge channel. So you can go for any of this. I will suggest going for the stable channel. So just click it here. It will start downloading the Docker software. Now once this downloading is done, you can see it in your downloaded section and just click on the downloaded file. So now what you have to do, as you can see here, you have to click on this Docker icon, hold your click, just hold your click and drag it over this application folder. So let me show you again. So when you do that, you can see this copying Docker to application dialog. So now just go to your launchpad. When you type Docker, you can see the Docker application. So Docker has been installed successfully. Thank you very much for watching.